how to get a Calendly link. So first, go to your Calendly, and then there are two ways that you can do here to get a Calendly link. So first one is you can create an event type, one of meeting or a meeting poll. So let's just say let's make event type. So just click on event type, then choose any of the options here that you want to use. I'll just use one-on-one, then type in the name, and then the duration and the location of the options. Choose the location of the options that you want to use here. So I'll just use Zoom, and then just click on continue, and of course click on done, and there you go. Now just click on copy link, and now you have a link. So the other one is you can ask a person. For example, a person is scheduling a meeting, and of course that person can send you the link to the meeting, so you can get a link or a Calendly link. Okay, so the other ones are, like I said, the first one are the links for one of meeting and meeting poll as well. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.